I'm still trying to make contact with the male. Supposedly he has a knife and he's locked himself out in the room, so I'm still trying to find out what's going on with him. Okay. Like I said, I'm still trying to make contact with him. It's the language barrier, though.
Okay, back in, sir.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, 476.
Okay, hey, do you understand me? What are you saying?
No, he just said whenever he comes down.
Hey, can you talk to me, man? You okay if I come in?
I love you.
Do you want to hurt yourself?
So good.
Hey, you understand me?
You okay, let me see.
What are you saying?
No, he just said that whenever he teach and speak English.
Does he not speak English at all?
No.
Can you tell him who I am?
Open the door, please.
He told you.
Open the door, please.
Just open the door.
Open the door?
Door. Lady.
You open the door.
Open the door now.
Open the door. Come on.
No.
Open the door.
Open my door.
You open it.
Okay. Open the door. Open the door now.
You open the door. Let me see your hands now. You move right there.
Love you.
Open the door now.
Look at me. Open. Record it.
Open the door. Let me see your hands.
Look at bro.
You have any weapons on you?
Refugee country. Motherfucker. You're an idiot. You're an idiot. Shit. What a language, people. Shit, man.
Open the door.
Shit, man.
Hey,
Open now.
let me see your hands.
Open now.
Hey.
Now.
211 County, shots fired. Send EMS.
I'm sorry, I cannot copy your radio.
Hey, keep your hands down.
Yes, sir.
Shots fired. He's down. EMS. He came at me with a knife.
Okay, we're getting EMS on the way. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. Go ahead and notify 202 and 201. Send EMS as soon as possible.